We notice technological progress most clearly when we don't even see it. When it's easy for us to intuitively do things right. We enjoy technology most when we don't have to learn how it works. When it's self-explanatory and we are the ones determining how work is done. When a few simple steps are all it takes to adjust things according to our wishes or to have them at our fingertips. When the touch of a button is enough to emphasize important things. Sometimes it helps when we don't have to guess what a result will look like. When technology simply lets us see a future outcome and helps us decide on the desired result. We want technology to offer us workflows that adapt to our needs and that make it easy for us to decide. But sometimes we even need technology when we don't want to do anything and we wish that work is taken off our hands. So that eventually we have a little more time for ourselves and we can live life the way we want to. Axano Pure. Simply do more.